Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Indian Express newspaper Sudoku puzzle on September 6, 2023. Very hard Sudoku. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of these cells. You confirm later. 10th row and 4th grid. Third row, we have pair numbers 4 and 9. So 4 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. 7th row, column H, we have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 7th row, 6th row, column G, we have pair numbers 4 and 3. So 4 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column E and third grid, we have pair numbers 1, 8, 3. So 1, 8, 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 3 cells. Column D, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. In this cell, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. Then 2 numbers are 1, 8, 1, 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column D, 2 numbers are 1 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. 10th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 8th grid, 3 numbers are 6, 8, 9. Column F, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then only one number is remaining. 8th grid, 9. 9 is confirmed here. 10th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 5, 3. Column H, column J, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 7, 9. 7th row and 3rd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Column G, 3 numbers are remaining. 1, 7, 6. 2nd grid, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then column G, only 1 number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. 2nd grid, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then 5th grid, 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 2nd grid, column F, only 1 number is remaining. 3. 3 is confirmed here. 2nd row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 5. Column J, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column J, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H and 2nd row, we have 4 and 2. So 2 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then 3rd grid, only 1 number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. Column H, column I, we have pair numbers 6 and 9. So 6 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th row, we have 2 and 7. So 2 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. then 7 is here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8, it will come in one of these cells, we confirm later. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 3, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9, column B we have 9, so 9 can't come, this 9 is confirmed here, and then 8 is here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5, it will come in one of these cells, we'll confirm later. Then 1st grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7, column C we have 7, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column I we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Column I we have 4, so 4 can't come in this cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 4, 4 is confirmed here. Then column I, only one number is remaining, 5, 5 is confirmed here. 7th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 6th row, we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then 6th row, only one number is remaining, 2, 2 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6, column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Then 5th grid, only one number is remaining, 1 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Then 4th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6, column C we have 6, so 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Then 1st grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8, column B we have 8, so 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column B we have 3, so 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.